It's time to level up our finances, and there's no better time than today. We have investment opportunities that we don't have years back. Today, there are various investment options that we can use to make money work for us. If 100K is all that you have right now, this video can change how you make money forever. I will show you 10 places you can invest without gambling, guessing, or doing Ponzi scheme. A lot of people think that 100,000 naira is too small to invest. But right in this video, I'm going to show you 10 different places that smart Nigerians invest 100,000 naira with great rewards. Hi, if you've seen my face for the very first time, my name is Betty and welcome to Betty Tips. On this channel, I share tips on how to manage and grow your money smartly and wisely. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for always stopping by. But before we dive in, I just want to say that this is not a financial advice. This is just me letting you know the places that smart Nigerians invest their 100,000 wisely and smartly. Please do your due diligence at every of these places I'm going to mention in the video and get convinced before you go ahead. The first place I'm going to mention is high yield interest savings account. High yield interest savings account are accounts that gives you interest rates between 18 to 23% higher than traditional banks. They give interest that are higher than traditional banks. And in this example of this I'm going to show you is PiggyVest and CarryWise. These two allows you to do auto save monthly or weekly. And you can also save and fix your money for a certain period of time for a specific goal. Some people use this PiggyVest or CarryWise to save to a certain amount of money, they now invest later. So this high interest savings account affords you the opportunity to save, make huge interest more than the normal traditional bank. The next on my list is the federal government savings bond. This is like you lending your money to the federal government for them to use for infrastructures, and in the return the federal government is going to give you interest quarterly. That's 4 times in a year. Usually it comes with 2 and 3 years tenors, and the interest is always between 14 to 17%. So this means that once you give your 100,000 to the federal government, the interest will be divided into 4 times in a year. The first year will be paid 4 times, the second year will be paid 4 times. The next on my list is stock. The Nigerian Stock Exchange. You buy stock from blue chips companies that are doing well with their shares, and by this doing you have the likes of the MTN, Dangote Cement, you have Okumu Oil, we have Zenith Bank, GT Co. All these are doing fantastic well in the stock market. Once you buy, and over time, stock market has given over 400% increase. Wow. And with this, you get capital appreciation. You also get dividend at the end of the year. Because some companies pay dividend twice a year, while some pays once in a year. Another place is you buying through the US stock, and you can buy through the ETFs. ETFs means exchange traded funds. This is like you buying a portfolio, a basket of different blue chip companies in the US, like the Tesla, like Google, like Meta, like Apple. Instead of you buying one or giving yourself which US stock should I buy, you can buy ETF. An example of ETF you can buy is VOO. With this, you are buying into 500 best top companies in the US. Next on my list is mutual funds. This is where professionals manage your funds for you and you can go to sleep. Usually you can get up to 15 and above percent. It is good for beginners and those who are seasoned investors. Next on my list is fractional shares. What is fractional shares? These are you getting your friends together to make up a huge sum of money to buy properties. It can be land in the choice area, it can be a service apartment, and when you lease it or rent it out, you share the profits. Over time, you can buy more than one property as time goes on. Another on my list is penny stocks. Penny stocks are stocks that are not really doing well in the market and the share price below 5 naira per one. This is a low risk and also can be high risk investment, in the sense that if anything happens to the shares of that company, it might reduce. Maybe for instance, if penny stock is 2 naira, it can come down to 1 naira and it can go as high as 8 naira per share. So the risk is not stable. Another on my list is business. We need to get a business. Look out for what people need, the needs of the people. What do they want? What is lacking in a particular area? You can come up with a solution and turn it to a business. As long as that business is giving you between 20 to 50%, you are good to go. If you are working, you can get trusted friends, trusted hands that can start the business with you, or you can provide finance with written contract and agreement to that effect, and the business is going. And when the profit is being shared, you get your own portion of the shares. And lastly, the number 10 that I told you that you don't want to miss is the money market mutual funds. This is like you getting a bowl of salad. So it's like you getting a fraction of about many assets in one portfolio. Money mutual funds are run by fund managers that are professional in that field. They know where to put your money and invest. And end up, they invest in commercial papers, invest in federal government bonds, they invest in treasury bills and the likes. This will be putting all your money for federal government bonds or treasury bills. You can also go through money mutual funds, and these are low risk investments you can do, and it's good for beginners and even salary earners that doesn't want to bother themselves. So with all these 10 smart places you can invest 100,000 naira, comment the one that you want me to do a full video on out of these 10 smart places to invest 100,000 naira, and let me know the one you are doing and you will be doing from now. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.